Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Kingdom Come Deliverance II if it's not launching, crashing, freezing, or showing a black screen on PC, especially for Game Pass users. First, run the Gaming Services Repair tool. Open the Xbox app, click your profile icon, go to Support, open Gaming Services Repair tool and click Start Repairing. Let the process finish, and then launch the game again. If it still doesn't work, restart your PC and try launching the game again. Next, go to the game installation folder. Open the Xbox app, click the three dots on the game, select Manage Files, then Browse. Open the game folder, then the content folder, and launch the game.exe file directly. If the issue continues, install the Visual C++ redistributable x86 and x64 from Microsoft's website and restart your PC after installation. Next, update or perform a clean installation of your graphics driver from NVIDIA or AMD's official website. Then restart your PC. One of these methods should fix the issue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.